Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I got this cute, simple, easy top knot. Keep on watching. So this video is going to be real short and simple, not a lot of talking, more of a visual video showing you how I got this top knot. This is my first time trying this style and I'm absolutely loving it. Give you a quick 360 and we're gonna get right into styling. But before we get into styling, for the first time, I tried this I believe that's how you pronounce it, Wonder Edge. It's a stronghold water-based pomade with pomade. Let's try that again. It is a stronghold water-based pomade, and this is the blueberry flavor. Smells good, but it works amazing. I'll leave the information for this in the description box, as well as all the other products that I use. Let's get into styling. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.